Welcome to a quick demo of the Resistance Management tool in the OCMS Portal. You can access the Resistance Management tool from Phase 1 Assess. In the Resistance Management tool, you'll be assessing stakeholders to identify, understand, and effectively address resistance to the change initiative. You'll also be able to identify common reasons for resistance, as well as deploy an effective resistance mitigation plan. When you first open the Resistance Management tool, it will automatically populate the individuals that scored with a low receptiveness on the stakeholder analysis. You can change that default audience by choosing to populate with another option and then clicking Regenerate. At the top of the individual's assessment area, you'll see the results of their stakeholder assessment and their stakeholder risk level. As you're managing them for resistance, you can adjust the receptiveness metric here to save time. It will automatically update in the Stakeholder tool. The main resistance assessment area is at the bottom. It's for identifying the key reasons the individual is resistant. Here, you can choose from several common reasons for change resistance, and also add your own if needed. There are two ways to populate these reasons for resistance into the tools. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the individual. The second is to use our built-in survey. Just click Send a Survey at the top to be taken to a survey template for resistance assessment. Once the reasons for resistance are checked, click Generate Resistance Plan. The system automatically generates a plan to save you time and guide you. The resistance plan gives you detailed recommendations that are customized to that individual's assessment. Click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Resistance Management tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.